with a video about cooking. I love funny hooks, so I would say something like, I know your man tired of eating Alfredo every single day, so you need to be watching this video so you can learn how to make some smothered chicken. So YouTube is partially booming because, of course, once TikTok was doing that little flippity flop flop, everyone was already trying to come over here and monetize their other platforms, which I don't blame them. I was over here as well. I am over here and I'm not giving up on YouTube this year. So this is one of my things that I'm trying to tell y'all. You need to get on YouTube because I have grown faster than I've ever grown in my life. Like the whole 10, 20 years. No, it ain't been 20 years, but the whole 10 years, 10 plus years that I've been trying to do YouTube, I've never grown this fast. As you guys know, YouTube pays out billions of dollars to creators every single year. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm trying to get a piece of that coin. I'm trying to get into that. I need that. I want that. I gotta have that. Like, I don't know about y'all, but it's time. It's time. So literally, this is your sign to take YouTube seriously. I don't care how many times you have stopped and started all throughout these years. It is time for you to get going, like now. And trust me, if you start today, it is better than continuously waiting, because I don't really know what's going on with TikTok. I don't believe they're really here. I don't believe they're really back. And so I'd rather you guys already be over here, build your audience, build your community, rather than waiting on TikTok to crash again. And then you're trying to run over here and scramble like everyone else did. Or like they're going to do, because they're going to try to get on other platforms that pay. So go ahead and come to YouTube and build your community, because it's not going anywhere. And I want you guys to be able to be ahead of the curve instead of trying to get ready. Get ready so you ain't got to stay ready. I said that backwards. Stay ready so you ain't got to get ready. So of course, I feel like people hate the word niche, but I feel like you need to pick a niche as a smaller creator just to get your feet wet and to start building a community by being known for something. Come known for one specific thing, and then you can expand, because once people follow you, 9 times out of 10 people are following you or subscribing to your channel because they love you. And also they love the information that you give. But if you're showing your personality, you're building a connection, you're building a community, 9 times out of 10, they will just follow you whatever you post. They'll follow you whatever you do. So figure out one thing that you want to become known for, whether that's fashion tips, cooking recipes, social media growth tips, anything. And then start making content on those things, because when you're a smaller creator or you're just starting out, you want to make content that makes people want to keep coming back for more. You want to make content that people are actually sharing. You want to make content that is actually valuable, so that way your audience has a reason to stay and watch the entire video. I'm going to tell you guys the 3 best types, or the top YouTube channels. Their niches are entertainment, so reactions, commentary, things like that. Oh, and don't let me forget story times. Really, right above entertainment is education. This video right here is an educational video. I'm telling you guys, like, get on YouTube. I'm telling you guys how to structure your videos so that way you can be successful on the platform. So this can be videos like how to, and it doesn't just have to be like how to grow on YouTube. It can be videos like how to, slick back curly thick hair or something like that. Tutorials, makeup tutorials. We all know Jackie. We all love Jackie. She has always been known for her makeup tutorials. Me and one of my teammates, we used to watch her videos all the time in class. Like, become known for something. And then lastly, lifestyle. Now, vlogs, productivity, business. But the only thing about vlogs, and I'm going to say this and you guys really listen to me. When you are doing vlogs, I'm never going to tell you not to make vlogs, but position your vlogs so that they are not selfish. So people don't care about why you personally went to the store and you bought X, Y, and Z, because they don't know you yet. Y'all don't know me, so y'all wouldn't care why I went shopping yesterday. You wouldn't really care about why I went shopping, because y'all don't know me. Y'all don't know why you should care. So instead of me positioning my vlogs being like, oh, I went to the store today, this is what I got, I would position my vlogs in a way that shows like, oh, the reason I shop at Costco is because I can pay for a membership of da-da-da-da, and I can get all of these things for less than $200. You guys see how it turned from something being selfish to something valuable, especially if you are more specific in your videos and you're like, here's how I shop for my family of 5 under $200. And then you show them what you get at Costco. I know a lot of people feel like you need equipment to get started, but you don't. I just purchased the camera and I've been trying to be a YouTuber for over 15 years. You don't need a camera. What you need is to get that phone of yours, flip the camera, use your back camera, set it up on a box. If you're vlogging, there is something called a gimbal on TikTok Shop or on Amazon. You can get a gimbal to where you put your phone in it and like you move it around and it won't move your phone, so it reduces that shakiness in your videos. And honestly, I'm gonna put all of these links in the description to the things that I'm mentioning. I'm gonna put them in the description. So if you don't have a phone, you don't have a tripod, I'm gonna put all of these things in the description so you guys can go grab the ones that I'm suggesting. But aside from a phone, all you need is a good lighting setup, a ring light, or even those like lights that you can clip onto your phone, y'all. And they're on TikTok Shop. They're less than $20, or they're on Amazon as well. Get you a light, get you a ring light. It doesn't even have to be an expensive one, and get to making it content. Or what would be even better would be to record during the daytime so you can use natural lighting. Natural lighting is the best lighting, if I'm being 100% honest. So if you can record during the day, you can record outside. If you want to get a microphone, I also have microphones down in the description in the content creator essentials. And these are the things that I utilized when I first got started with my channel. And then use editing software that is free. CapCut, which we probably won't have that one for long. The next one that I'm going to use when CapCut decides to go away is DaVinci Resolve or iMovie. I really don't like iMovie, so I'm going to work on figuring out DaVinci, but I downloaded it for free onto my MacBook. So you guys don't need editing software. And it's another one that you can utilize on your phone, and it's called the VN Editor. Let me see if I can find it. I think I deleted it, but I can download that one back. We know that one's not going away. But the VN Editor, you guys can find that in your app store. Get that one. It is just about like CapCut. Like it's the closest one I found to CapCut on your phone. So y'all can get that as well. When you're creating content, you want to make sure that you are hooking in your audience. So the first sentence that you need to say is not, "Hey y'all," because why are we saying, "Hey girl"? They don't know you. Not yet. They don't know why they should watch you. So what you should be saying is something to hook in your audience, something that really grabs their attention. So for instance, with a video about cooking, you can say something. I love funny hooks. So I would say something like, "I know your man tired of eating Alfredo every single day. So you need to be watching this video so you can learn how to make some smothered chicken." But wouldn't that reel y'all in? Wouldn't y'all be like, "I know she did, but let me figure out how to make this smothered chicken," right? So say something at the beginning of the video that's going to hook in your audience. Keep your videos between 8 to 12 minutes long. They're not really going to watch your videos all the way through if it's any longer than that, especially if they don't know why they should watch you. Like, you got to build that know, like, and trust. You got to have people grow to love you. So if you don't have that type of audience just yet that just really just waits on your videos, then keep them short and sweet, but give value always. And also use storytelling in certain shapes and forms to really connect with your audience on a personal level. When it comes to YouTube, if you want to really rank in the search engine, you need to make sure that your videos are SEO optimized. Now, if you don't know what SEO stands for search engine optimization. So this really helps your videos to rank in the search engine, meaning YouTube. YouTube is connected with Google, so it runs just like Google. So you want to make sure that you are finding low competition and highly searched keywords. The reason you're wanting to find low competition keywords is because you want to make sure that you are able to be found amongst all of these larger creators. If you're using high competition keywords, you're not really going to be found because you're going to drown in a sea of creators that have thousands of subscribers. The way that you can do this is, for example, the title of this video, "How to Start a YouTube Channel in 2025, because I know a lot of people will be searching for that, especially once TikTok tries to do whatever they do. I don't even know. And the first 3 lines of your description should also repeat your title and description or your keywords naturally. So instead of just like keyword stuffing in the first 3 lines of your description, make it into a sentence. Okay, so you would say, "In this video, I talked about how to start a YouTube channel in 2025 by utilizing SEO, giving monetization strategies," and I don't even remember, y'all, but yeah, it would be, make sure that your description is in a sentence. Now, you want to be sure that you are growing your audience, connect with your audience, talk to them by making community posts. You know, and every community post should not be you promoting your video, because then people are like, "Oh, she's just in it for self." But also connect with other smaller YouTubers. I literally try to go find other smaller YouTubers so that I can go watch their videos. I comment on their videos, and 9 times out of 10, they'll return the favor because we're all trying to grow. In the club, we all fam, right? So we're all trying to grow. And so go engage with other smaller creators, comment even on bigger creators' videos, comment on viral videos, because when you comment and people like your comment, then that will draw more attention to your channel as well. So engagement is key. Don't just post and ghost. Engage. You also can go live at least once a week. Now, I'm about to start going live But I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But I'm finna start going live because I really feel like it's a great opportunity to once again grow your audience. And also you can promote your videos on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Now I do all of them, but I always share my video to Pinterest. So I mean, if they find my video, they find my video. But I know my video is also ranked for SEO. So Pinterest also is another platform that runs just like Google and YouTube. And so Pinterest is a gold mine. If you haven't tried Pinterest yet, try them. And then lastly, if you want to monetize, if you want to go ahead and make some money before you get monetized through the ad program, you can do various different, you can utilize affiliate marketing. So recommending your favorite things and put them in the description. Like I just told you guys, all of my creator essentials will be in the description. And of course, I will earn an affiliate commission from these purchases, but also digital products. Create a digital product based off of your own niche and expertise. That's why I told you guys, figure out something you want to be known for. And then once you build that audience up, create a digital product to go right along with your niche. And then also sponsorships. I know you guys are nervous to reach out to brands being a smaller creator, but I'm only almost at 2,000 subscribers and I'm already about to start reaching out to brands to see if they want to work with little old me. So don't be afraid to shoot your shot. The worst that they can say is no. That's the worst that they can say. I also feel like this helps a lot because I don't really feel like AdSense should really be your sole source of income, only because like they can kick you out of the program anytime they want to, but also it will fluctuate based off of that month, how your videos are performing and things like that. So you always want to be able to diversify your income. You always want more than just one income. And so y'all, that was all I have for you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friend and don't overthink it. Just start posting. Everyone has to start somewhere. And I was literally watching my videos from high school, you guys, the other night from my old channel, and I really came like put myself to tears because I've really come a long way, and it really just makes me so happy to know that I'm still pursuing this dream that I haven't given up on. So get started. Don't worry about what anyone has to say about you. You are going to achieve as long as you stay consistent and as long as you stay disciplined. And as long as you have a plan. So utilize this video as your plan. Save this video to your watch later or save it to one of your playlists so that way you can come back and refer to it later. All the things are in my description. Y'all check that out and share with me in the comments your YouTube channel. I know you've started it after this video. Share your YouTube channel with me so that I can go watch your videos and support you as well. All right. So I love you guys. I'll see y'all later. Bye y'all.